If you're intimidated by the gym, I get it. I've been there, and more than once. It's not that people are afraid to put the work in, it's the feeling of, am I doing something wrong? And do people know something I don't? And honestly, these feelings are why a lot of people are afraid to start working out. A lot of the times, it's not about the ability, it's about the uncertainty of where to begin. So let's make it simple. Start with machines, not because they're easier, but because they're clearer. Let's talk about why machines are so good when you're first starting in the gym. When you use a machine, it locks you in one position, so you only have to focus on the movement. You don't need to focus on balance, how the bar's moving, or the dumbbell, or any other piece of equipment. That alone is a game changer if you're just starting out at the gym. You select the weight with a pin, and the machine guides the movement through one track. That track keeps the weight moving the same way every time. Your body is supported and your joints are lined up. The machine does the stabilizing for you, because when you're not worried about falling over or doing it wrong, you can focus on one thing, putting effort into the movement. And effort is what builds strength. You wouldn't start with the hardest version when you can start with what you can do well. Machines help you learn the movement to do it well. Another reason machines help so much is they guide the movement. This means the direction of the weight is already set for you. You're not figuring out where it should travel. You don't have to wonder, are my feet in the right spot? Is it too wide? Is it too narrow? The machine gives you a path to stay on. And when you stay on that path, you feel more confident. Confidence doesn't come from doing the hardest thing, it comes from doing something well. Free weights are great, but they ask a lot from you. Balance, bracing, and knowing how to guide the movement. And that's a lot when you're first stepping into the gym. Machines take most of that away. You don't have to worry about dropping the weight. You can stop safely at any time by lowering it back to the weight stack. Now you only have one job, move the weight with control. When you lower the weight slowly, when you push with intention, and when you finish the rep strong. Some people might say that you need to use free weights if you want to reach your goals. I disagree. Machines are the starting point, and the free weights is what you work up to. Imagine this. When you're first learning how to drive a car, you wouldn't start on a busy street filled with traffic. You would learn in an empty parking lot so you could learn the basics and get comfortable to then go on to the busy streets. It's the same with the gym. You learn the basics before you learn the more advanced workouts. Start with machines and learn the basics so you have a solid foundation to work your way up to doing free weights. After a while, you'll feel ready to move on to free weights and use equipment like dumbbells and barbells. That's a good thing. There's nothing wrong with wanting to try something new. Just don't feel like you have to rush it. It can help to first get comfortable controlling your reps and pushing the weight. This all builds great habits in the gym. Strength isn't about skipping steps, it's about building a good foundation. Feeling intimidated isn't being weak. It just means that you're going out of your comfort zone and trying something new. Machines help the feeling of being uncomfortable comfortable. They allow you to build a solid foundation in the gym and focus on things like moving the weight and moving it properly. After a while, you can start using free weights. It's just about starting where you can and building up from there and building a good foundation that'll carry you throughout your time at the gym and working out. Start where you're strong and train the movement you have.